Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a big warning to all Gmail users. There's been, in the past few weeks, a very sophisticated attack that actually tries to get you to give in your password and your ID to log into your Gmail account. And it looks like this. It's a very convincing email because, first of all, if you look at the top, it says comes from noreply@accounts.google.com. So already you're like, wow, this comes really from Google. Well, not exactly. It tells you that a subpoena was served on Google LLC, requiring us to produce a copy of your Google account content. So if you click the Google support case, you will be brought to a login page, which is extremely well done and convincing that you are apparently on a Google account, and that will require you to sign in to your accounts. Do not fall for that. It is not true. That's not the way it is. But apparently it's so well done, and it's been hitting so many Gmail users that a lot of people are falling for it. So do be careful. This isn't true. Don't go and click the links. Don't enter your login user ID and passwords. This is a scam going on right now, and it's hitting over 1 billion Gmail users, apparently. So this is very interesting. You see how some of these guys work extremely hard and are getting better and better at spoofing things so well that for some people it gets difficult to see the truth. The other big problem is that, all of these attacks, these phishing scams, they all do one thing: try to scare you. Because when you get nervous and scared, your judgment isn't the same. So you tend to maybe fall for some of these sometimes. So be careful. This is going on right now. Tell all your friends, your family, that if you get a Google Gmail account email that says a subpoena was served on Google LLC to get a copy of your Google account, it is not true. It is not true. So it's really, really something big going on right now, and you've got to be careful if you use a Gmail account. And of course, this could happen on any accounts. Don't fall for anything that asks to click a link for some reason and then enter your user ID and your passwords. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.